Have you thought about how you can use the equity in your home? I'm Jeff Fullick, mortgage broker at Mortgage Choice West Pennant Hills. Here are 3 examples of what you can do with the equity. Number 1, home renovations. Using the equity to fund improvements can improve your property's value. This is especially beneficial if you're looking to sell in the future or want to enjoy a more modern and comfortable living space. Number 2, invest in property or shares. Many Australians use the equity in their home to invest in property or shares. This can help build wealth over time and diversify your investment portfolio. And number 3, debt consolidation. If you have multiple high interest debts such as credit cards or personal loans, you can consolidate them into your mortgage, which usually has a lower interest rate. This can improve your monthly payments and make it easier for you to manage your finances. So if you can relate to this situation, contact me for a complimentary conversation about how we can help you improve your financial situation. I'd also love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'm Jeff Fullick from Mortgage Choice West Pennant Hills. Contact us and remember, you'll never be alone.